Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Miss AI is the world's first pageant for AI generated women, offering creators a chance to win $20,000 and be crowned Miss AI. An evacuated Roman stadium. For $450, a Brazilian company offers a picnic suspended over a waterfall, providing an epic and unforgettable dining experience. The fresh, salty smell of beach air is actually a gas released by bacteria. A newborn, alive alpaca. Brown bear blowing bubbles in the water on a hot summer day. McDonald's first menu 1940. Japanese prison meals are surprisingly nutritious, featuring a balanced mix of rice, grilled fish, miso soup, and vegetables. 2,300-year-old shoes found frozen in the Altai Mountains. They have magnetic plates fastened to the sole to stay connected to the earth, grounding. 70% iPhones are on EMI in India, 80% cars are on EMI in India, 60% homes are on EMI in India. The eye sees things upside down. The eye captures an upside down image, but the brain quickly corrects it. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results. Regular meditation, along with other spiritual or religious practices, can prevent major depression. Rub eyes on the V-shaped webbed area between your thumb and index finger to reduce the pain. The nerves there block pain in the face and hands. About 3 million first dates take place every day around the world. The average inmate at Alcatraz reads 75 to 100 books a year. Taller people are more likely to be hired for a job because they happen to be leaner, smoke less, and exercise more. Attitude is a greater predictor of success than IQ. Your brain thrives on predictability and often switches to a default mode. When it does, you become less attentive and make more dumb mistakes. There is no scientific evidence confirming that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. How to remove permanent marker. This is how camels climb a steep sand dune. 60% of millennials earning $100,000 plus say they are living paycheck to paycheck. Pluto has a heart-shaped sea that's filled with poisonous ice. People who lie less tend to live longer and healthier lives, a 2004 study found. Changing the way you walk can change your mood. People who tend to cry when they are happy are also likely to giggle inappropriately during a tense exchange, research shows. Vanuatu is the birthplace of bungee jumping. The activity traces its roots to land diving practiced on Pentecost Island, Vanuatu, in which divers jump off a high tower, their feet connected to it by a vine whose length is calculated. If your face suggests that you are alert and slightly happy, people are more likely to perceive you as intelligent, according to a study from the University of St. Andrews. In the rest of the world, a Yankee is an American. In America, a Yankee is a Northerner. In the North, a Yankee is a New Englander. In New England, a Yankee is a Vermonter. And in Vermont, a Yankee is someone who eats pie for breakfast. Trees recognize their children, sending them more carbon below ground and reducing their own roots to make room for their kids. The world's smallest snowman is only 2.7 microns tall. A human hair is 75 microns thick. To create it, scientists stacked three tiny silica spheres, added a nose and arms made of platinum, and cut the eyes and mouth with a focused iron beam. Lack of sleep is associated with excessive worrying. Bill Gates' 11 rules you will never learn in school. Life is not fair, get used to it. The world does not care about your self esteem. You will not make a six-figure salary after school. Flipping burgers is not beneath your dignity. If you mess up, it's not your parents' fault. Your parents know something you don't. Your school may have done away with the winners and losers, but life has not. Life is not divided into semesters. Once life starts, it just goes on and on. What you see on TV is not real life. Thanks for watching.